Hi there, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to discuss about discount apps, and I will show you how to add these apps in your online store. Also discuss basic feature about this app. So I'm going to review uh, this apps, discount and quantity break, and this apps is very popular. Almost uh, if you check there no details in our description, we can see that almost our 8,000 Shopify merchant use these apps or trusted this app. So we can easily use these apps if you like to add discount and quantity break or discount or featured in our website, and these apps absolutely increase your sales and increase your profit. So let's get some idea about these apps. And this apps already got a 300 plus review on the Shopify apps store, and it has a free plan for 7 days trial. You can start for 7 days, and here are some features that we can use in our online website, or we will get from this apps by using give both percentage and fixed amount and discount, and increase shopper confidence on the cart price by showing them how much they are saving. And that is exactly important point when someone going to buy product from your website, and when they get their saving by adding any product or add any new product in their cart, and they will be encouraged and inspired to add another more product in their cart. Another feature is that offer discount on the specific product and collection, or you can add the discount in entire store. And also you can create groups of quantity break for different product and collection. Okay, so let's check some media gallery of this app. So I'm going to open this apps. Media clarify show discount trigger on product page with customizable styling and text. Look there, customizable product page trigger, and increase order below with cart upsell and reward shopper with the discount code. And the only discount app with support for Shopify native currency converter. So that is the awesome feature, I know, and compatible with the Ajax card on the most theme, even on the mobile. That's also good. And customize your discount table with the easy to use style editor, so you no need to know any coding or technical skill to do this. You can easily customize from style editor. That is super easy. I'll show you how you can do this. And quantity break now look great in the mobile too, so it is fully mobile friendly or responsive, and that is very important for recent web design and development. Third, and online student also increase order below with cart price upsell and discount code support on mobile. Okay, the only discount app, this is the only discount app with support on mobile for Shopify native currency converter. So you can definitely use this app. Full support for Ajax cart event on the mobile device. Ajax feature also support in the mobile device. And now we are going to add these apps in our online store. So first of all, let me log in my Shopify store. And click on the login. Then I'm going to click on the online store shop name. And now going to click on the apps, and now we'll search this app's name right here. Go to the visit the Shopify app store. Visit the Shopify app store. I have clicked at app here. Now search this apps right here and click on the search icon, and we are going to add this apps right now. these apps. Look at the icon. I'm going to add this one and add apps. Click on the add app button. And now going to click on the install app. Okay, so now we can use this app in our online store and add this product quantity, discount, everything on here on discount and upsell picture. So just waiting to load the full page. Okay, so we can create a first discount group. Select, so to do this, select product to discounted, this only premium picture. Select product. Okay, discount code. We are not get a discount group picture in the single in the free version. We have to upgrade our apps to get this picture, but we can use the discount code here. And click on the currency convert. And let's show the settings. Okay, multiple discount group behavior. Which discount group should be used when a product included multiple discount? Apply greatest discount. Okay, cart price, we can select the cart price from here. Collection, advanced setting. Okay, going to click on the save. Thank you for watch this video. This video is very beginner level for Shopify online store user and not only any advanced level. So if you like this video, then subscribe to my channel, and if you need any help relevant Shopify online store, then you can contact with me. I'll give you support in online to convert your local store in online or start your online business using Shopify platform. So thank you for your time. Have a nice day.